Aye.
Okay, you put it on neutral, and then you can start it, right? See, I can rev it, it's not going anywhere. I can hold it, and I can slowly release it. See? I don't stall. See that?
Yeah.
It's still in the middle. Like if I don't even rev this, I hold this, and it's going a little bit, see? But I'm not turning this. If I turn it, then I can go. But see, it doesn't go anywhere, right?
Yeah.
But when I do this, you feel it. So you can turn this first.
Yeah.
And then slowly release this. And then you do it, right? Like this. And then just go like this very slowly.
Oh yeah. That's my boy.
Get it?
Yeah. Cruiser, Honda Shadow Cruiser.
Like you can turn this really slowly, but the key is the clutch.
The helmet right there.
See? And then you put it in the middle. That's neutral. Then you can release it.
All right, let's see if Papa Willie take the aisle
No,
right there.
we can't do that.
Papa Willie, man, it's all you. You live on camera, man. Papa. Damn.
We're done?
All right.